tinse nekero umwana ko report ebese ikera abenga ya mokongeire nabo umwana agoja neri abwate enke umwana nainde ngwancherware asabe kibese kya serikali akirido kuruka government scholarship ekyabana bago apply ekikero umwana ule skuru ago apply onyora nekibese kine kikomokonya ase akomenya esandagera akogurwa na bintu binde biraganirwa ase skuru abana nkonyora bare constituency bursaries uno mbungo Kitutu Masaba constituency Honorable Clive Gisairo neruwete sana gokonya abana barukurwe constituency yaye nande nko bakanira arekero umwana nkonyora ari kibesa ekyo gosoma nande nato tebetinga mwana onde wense goche skuru apply loan nkonyora karibu sana Kitutu Masaba elinde tuegero bubundi bachago tokonya asama tukagocha biamon
asamange yabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga kusi obakirisi nigutara kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068 ninjolero eyubwenyorero bumanyi ubumurago konye asu
Marawa vengia nainde ya mangana amaya na awatika kurega asiki onga chinsa ikome chabona maragoba iritere Matilda Obaigwa sangana intwe ase mutandao Facebook na boigo YouTube masemo otonyora buna Getembe TV na kurwasi bimanyirio nere Wilson Makori karibu sana ase nsemo ye Kionga nane kirongo chaka Kionga kuro ase bunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii ya matemo kuro ase kenyoro ya kenyorora eyo gotoka ime ye ward ya Bumariba nigobono ya nyarire kugania obwene ase umwanobo manyakanete buna Dennis Magutu Onditi oyo gotebekana buna nigo anyara kubwato na community policing na boyo kuro ase chiovisi chomugambi bwechinsemecho ase bono anyarite kwegwa egesusuru gusakanyara gweitwa goikahekera kumnyokigwa nyagitari agasiri buguma bwae kagenderete konyora obo wenia nigo bono banyare koligia buna serikali na boigo nsemo elio gukora obutuki banyare gukora obutuki bwa bwango elio ya mateyu nyare konyora obo ene wabo
yetankoro kuchoisi kwamboka nche naraire ono nkaibu biture ali bikobwa ali ali bachete bagateba iburaga bagwate ibiraro weta ongo marafu nali nkoboka nkubabori ninki nakora bakubori machukinwale kubatebi yaye ninki ntebyange ali ali batebe tinga machukeite to mu muronde ayaraire nere tutagete ngabatega
ngiza stenkaga bumuchiga ngo wote nsaki ariko kuminya korora abantu bakagunya kuchikambi itundu wate kambi twabekira umuntu gawo bono ngari go korana kinki nyari ya sarikira ari kwandororo nguriye liga ngonyora abantu nabo baturiti baroro n'abantu bamichikumi akanepi nabana ujo mwana oro mabugo itwa andi umwana ono yitonkaga ikatusomete nere twari botakamo andi nabachisidege mechando bado nero
amana na baba itete bakabaita yani bakabaita bakoyo amajinguru jikabora agotarira egara baitete mo muroyo minto mano nere baitete mano ono garaba gorete bakamanya gondangere bakataba ncho gori emesigo yaino amana njikaikora ndambo gori omwana ori tari konyara goikaransa tari gotenena tari koramuki amane ngabogori ngatema gobogori omwana mito ngaibe gaireko nganya ukururi yasiye kieme saro muyomola kona wajaga bwati tokamobogori tokamogie para tokanyore pibiye kamobogori ekamoira nyagitari toka kanyagitari akabegerwa maji akarabegerwa maji akagachisa za mbili akaegwenda ekanga koswa ego ikasa 3 tokagwesi mingokure kagezera gari nare nirese mora akipata kanya akio mano mitera kanagagi
ntoro no usoni kororo mwana mintogo ituna abafikirandi oyo mwana oyo isemo ke bakamuita noyo bamwitire abana baye bono igabura tokwane bamutigete aseroro kurwabu tana kwebera muntu ocha igabona tokwane igabikira mbyare ngoro kurwabu gracias ase omo affairs
ekera gwe tuli kosa kubutebwa bwate edi ni omonto abwatsingi 3000 abatabunga bagatabangwira imali kebakayo bake no sio kwirani lakini mwana toro chochiro kule bakabetera bono bagatumike
ire nengana bono yanya elirete koirera abanyakenya ro gutwara obororo botindi na boigo goika asegati yaba botani ba community policing na boigo gusamba enebo ikibesa chinyenge gusamba chinyomba na boigo korabia endagira asemegondo
itayo aliyo lirende baswete gutagura bagusamba halafu bagasokea abana bakaenda chikoni bagasokea abana halafu naliyo linachite kwaterene matako ngano nyuburangete nchikwebisi agantege mungu naetiga ayibwate ngo genda numatengu murara ire inde nje ngasoke bagansoke nali baswete gusamba linde bakarente gasi ku chikoni naliyo libarutete gaige kalipo wakwere ebintu bikayera byansi chinyomba kende ngiyo twa tole tinwanye kama twasogete muna tole nkumi mugakono kupeni machuki
Moncho murigere ya gutigana nayo kurasi siasa ya serikali enene nigo mukonyi bumurai asekiama gya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i agenderete netaro yaye ase county ya Meru ekero araroro rituko oria kabiri na gusanga negative bamenye kuro chinsemo buna bono chinsemo chire cha maua na bwo chinsemo ohime yo mochi Meru nigo Dr. Fred Matiang'i anyare gusingira buna ekirenga bwate asensemo yo kwamereria serikali no kweneke buna banyare gusanga ebirengerero abarai bonsi bari asensemo iyo elio kweneke buna banyarire kuligia oburai obuya asinchira ire iyo bwamo.
Tumefurahi kuwa hapa Maua leo na tunazungumza nanyi. Sisi kama Jubilee tumeungana na PNU kutembea katika safari hii ya kuleta mabadiliko katika jamhuri yetu ya Kenya. Lakini sisi bado tuko katika muungano wa upinzani. Tuko na wale wenzetu wengine, ndugu zetu, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, Mheshimiwa Martha Karua, Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa, Mheshimiwa Justin Muturi na wale wengine wote, hata wale viongozi wa Linda Mwananchi, grupu ile ya Bwana Sifuna, Bwana Babu Owino, Mheshimiwa Governor James Orengo na wengine. Tuko na mtazamo moja sisi wote, kwa sababu tunataka mabadiliko katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Kwa sababu nyinyi hapa Maua mumeelewa vile shida ya maisha iko na vile hawa wenzetu ambao wako kwa uongozi kazi imekuwa ngumu. Utofu wa usalama, biashara imeharibika, elimu yetu imeharibika, SHA ndio hiyo haifanyi kazi. Na hata sasa tumeletewa hata Ebola. Mnataka maneno kama hayo? Ni wangapi wanakubaliana nami kwamba wakati wa mabadiliko umefika? Kwa hivyo yaani kusema nyinyi Maua muko kwa one term, muko na sisi wale tunasema one term, wale tunataka mabadiliko, wale tunataka Kenya mzuri.
Ya wamenye kurase bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba anamono kurase wodi ya Masimba nigo besokire na kugane buna omo MCA bwe wodi yo omo Skebos Mairora anyare kwira nigo ase bunge ye county magega yere kwa isiko kusikoteneniwa kuswaroro asemetinye etano nomo ere bosio na ba ukwana na bariki bamanga maya nigo baerere buna okurusiwa komo MCA yo service nigo koreire amagendero koratera se wodi ya Masimba nekiro baganire buna serikali ya county enyare kurigiriria engane yukubwa muno ensemo ye bunge erinde Mheshimiwa Mairora nyare kwirana emiremo.
We, the residents of Nyaribari Masaba, together with concerned members of Masimba Ward, wish to formally address the nation regarding the continued suspension and the treatment of our elected member of County Assembly, Honorable Boss Mairora. We note with serious concern the recent suspension of Honorable Boss Mairora from the County Assembly for six months, a decision that has effectively denied the Masimba Ward and the Nyaribari Masaba their full and uninterrupted representation. Since 2022, Honorable Bose Mairora has, according to the community concerned, first sustained intimidation, denial of rights and privileges, and political interference in the execution of his mandate as our elected representative. This development have deeply alarmed the electorate. In 2023, he was previously suspended for 4 months, a matter which was challenged in court. The court later ruled that the process leading to that suspension was unlawful and illegal. Additionally, we wish to state that the MCA has reportedly been receiving threats and acts of intimidation, which have created fear and undermined his ability to effectively discharge his duties. As residents, we emphasize that these actions, whether administrative or politically influenced, have serious implications on democratic representation.
For immediate reinstatement of Honorable Bose Mairora to the County Assembly within the next 48 hours to ensure the people of Masimba Ward are not deprived of their representation. Failure to comply with this demand will leave the residents of Nyaribari Masaba, particularly those from Masimba.
Omosike umurai wiki amagia DCP Omoske Rigathi Gachagua niko mugasorero anyarire kugikiria na boigo kuyigorora budget y'umwaka bw'ekibesa umwaka 2026-2027 ase Omoske Gachagua anyarire kwerabuna chinsemo ogose chiwizara chiria chibonete komento chibesa chichi nyarite kurigererirwa ase budget y'umwaka ogoso abono na nekiro bono anyarire kwerabuna ensemo buna eriyo burendi nigo ya birige komento chibesa kuri n'uburendi bugenderete kubura ase igati y'Abakenya.
Under this regime, agriculture has been grossly defunded. Only 2% of the total budget has been allocated to this sector. This is despite the fact that this sector employs a majority of the population and remains the socio-economic backbone of our rural livelihoods. Mr. President, why are you defunding agriculture? Did you consult the over 7.1 million registered farmers and the 40% of the total population and nearly 70% of the rural workforce depending on agriculture? On matters health, the sector has historically received between 6 to 8% of the total budget. Unfortunately and painfully, under the current budget estimates, the sector has been allocated a portly 3.5% of the total budget. This is despite the fact that Kenyans are paying more taxes and higher SHA deductions than ever before. What is more important to citizens of any nation if not healthcare? A healthy nation is a wealthy nation. In any case, a nation's greatest resource is its people. Between 2022 to 2026, allocation to the security docket steadily rose from Kenya shillings 318 billion to Kenya shillings 567 billion, an increase of Kenya shillings 249 billion without corresponding improvement in securing the people of Kenya and our territory. Why this sharp increase? Why do we still have Jubilant forces still occupying Mandera County and harassing Kenyans? Why are goons working alongside the National Police Service? In recent months, the government has continued to channel billions in travel, hospitality and administrative overheads where ordinary Kenyans are.
Chomorigere awo no turakorere kionga chinsa ikomechi abona marago bakorende ayo naenda mwangi no enyorege kuraga chinsa ibire bunara chikoreto sole nere Ruth Kemunto riane Matilda Obaigwa twawatirana nere Wilson Makori kurase bimanyererio yendera gutwara imarago bengi no boigo borigererio via ime ya Getembe TV.
thibitari ya Busungu Medical Center igoba batobokoreri aho buno mbawate pharmacy iyubata mariogo onsi mbawate lab department asabakulingoria amarwire au bwatobokoreri bwa ICU ule bwa theater guse radiology mbawatobo